Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're unboxing Maddox. This is a collector special. I have so many horses I actually wasn't going to get him, but I don't have the mold, and I love dapple grays. So let's see what Maddox looks like. Do exactly what it says not to do. Do not open with sharp instrument, of course, because I don't listen. Okay, box is open, and then, yeah, this is kind of scary when you see a box that looks like that, but at least it's in the middle. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see, how did she survive? Oh, I don't even know if you'll fit on my shelf. Ooh, ha, 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 ha. What a beauty. All right, we'll just put that there. Oh no, I should have brought out a towel or something. Guess that's all I got out. Okay. I know I've had her for a couple of weeks, and I've just been unable to get to her. Look at that. They're not perfectly round anymore, so whatever their screen they're using, they're slightly oblong, so it's better. That screen is better. Look at that. So 75th Anniversary Collector Club. See that? 75th Anniversary Collector Club 2025. It's got red transfer there. Not sure how that happened. Not sure it comes off. Look at that. I swear those dapples are gorgeous. It's a boy. It's okay. All my horses are girls. I don't know why. I'm not even a feminist, really. Just started calling them she's. It's better than having an it. I'm not sure what that is. That might be part of the mold. Not sure if that's part of the mold. I don't have this mold, so I don't know. This is my first one. Really long. Let's see. Are you wobbly? No, no wobble. Pretty sturdy. He's lovely. And he's saddle. I mean, he's performance worthy. So have to figure out what I put him in. His head's high, so that limits what I can put him in. But I mean, games. He could do games. He could barrel race and pole bend and all of those without a problem. But is this nice? Might be able to do roping, even though his head is high, because they use tie downs. I think it'd be okay. But he's not going to be Western Pleasure, and he's not going to be not really going to be anything Englishy either. Could do, take that back. He'd probably do eventing, cross country, maybe show jumping, but again, head's a little high for that. But he could do cross country. He's okay on that. But he's pretty, really pretty. Love him very much. Wish I knew what that was. As a performance horse, though, that's not a problem, because they get judged on what they're doing, not on perfection. Okay, halter horses, it matters. So that little, whatever this is, I'll probably see if I can take a one of those white sponges, the Mr. Clean or whatever sponges, microfiber, and see if that can just kind of do something there. That's something that happened at the factory, but it should be fixable. Still, for performance, not an issue. All right, so he's awesome. While we're at it, I need to, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have fewer videos, but unboxing videos, right? I've kind of stopped making tack videos. There's things going on in my life as life happens. My husband's been sick, and I've been taking care of him. So I haven't really had the time to devote to tack making. For my eBay store, for Facebook, or even for videos. So I'm just kind of taking a little bit of time off. My channel is my labor of love. I'll get back to it eventually, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm healthy. I just have grandkids to babysit and a husband to take care of, and he should be back his old self pretty soon here. I mean, he's healing rapidly, and we've been blessed with some really good doctors. So hopefully soon I'll be able to get back into making different saddles. But I haven't given up, and I'm not going anywhere. But I do appreciate it. I still watch my email. I still watch comments. So if you want to leave comments or send me an email, I'm still, aware of what's going on. I appreciate the support over the years, and hopefully I'll have another 20 years of tack making ahead of me. Thank you all again. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have yourself a really good day.